In order to prevent any small leaks and to ensure the proper operation of your washing machine, periodical maintenance is recommended. These simple steps will help you care for your machine so that it can run reliably for the years to come. If you happen to notice any leaks from the front of the machine, the simplest maintenance to perform is to clean the door glass and the gasket. A proper seal between the glass and the gasket is critical to ensure a leak-free operation. While wearing gloves, mix a solution of 3/4 cup bleach to 1 gallon of water. Use a soft cloth or sponge in this bleach solution to clean the inner door glass, making sure the underside of the glass is clean where it meets the door gasket. Then, wipe the gasket from the top to the bottom on each side with the bleach solution. Soil and debris can then be removed from the bottom of the gasket. Next, run a tub clean cycle using a tub cleaner and follow the cleaner's package directions. Leaks from the safety air vent on the back of the washer occur when detergent residue has built up in the tub and/or your clothes. If water or suds is seen leaking from the safety air vents located on the back of the washer as shown here, or if large amounts of suds are visible in the tub during the wash cycle, follow these next steps to properly clean out the tub and help remove residue buildup. If using a tablet tub cleaner, run the tub clean cycle 3 times back to back, putting a tablet in the tub before each cycle. For liquid or powdered tub cleaners, run the tub clean cycle once a week for 3 consecutive weeks to ensure a proper cleaning. If leaking is visible near or around the detergent dispenser drawer, water and detergent residue may have accumulated from the inside top area of the drawer, causing it to drip downward. Fully extend the detergent dispenser drawer outward. Then press down on the push button to release the detergent dispenser drawer. Carefully remove each compartment. The tabs located on the back are delicate, so it's best to lift the front first with your fingers. Once removed, wash thoroughly by hand with warm water and a soft sponge or towel, removing any excess detergent residue buildup seen on the detergent compartments. Then rinse the detergent dispenser drawer under warm water to help remove any excess buildup. Use a wet towel or soft sponge to wipe away any detergent residue buildup located inside the detergent dispenser drawer cavity as shown here. Once finished, make sure the compartments and drawer are completely dry before reinstalling it back into place. Conditions that may have caused this residue buildup in the tub could have also caused buildup in heavier fabrics such as towels, blankets, jeans, and etc. Wash these items separately without detergent once or twice to help remove the residue. Follow these guidelines to prevent future residue buildup, which are using only HE detergent. Never use more than the amount recommended by the detergent manufacturer. Different detergents are formulated with different concentrations, so the appropriate amount may differ according to the load size. Please refer to the detergent manufacturer's recommendations first. Since the detergent cup on your washing machine may not be optimized to your specific detergent brand. Smaller loads with less soil and soft water require less detergent. Heavy suds during the wash cycle indicate that the amount of detergent used must be reduced to help prevent future buildup. The maintenance steps outlined in this video should help eliminate the most common causes of leaks in front-load washers, soil buildup on the door and gasket, detergent residue in tub and clothing, and detergent residue and water buildup in and around the detergent dispenser drawer cavity. Remember to keep the door and gasket clean, and run the tub clean cycle at least once a month. Regular maintenance and proper detergent use will help extend the life of your LG washer and ensure optimum performance for years to come. So to learn more about your appliance or any LG product, be sure to visit us at our YouTube channel or at our LG website. And we'll see you next time.